Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to bypass role required message on Discord. First thing you need to do is to launch the Discord app on your mobile device. Go to your desired server where you want it to create the mute role. Tap the server name at the top of the screen, then from the drop-down menu, select Settings. Go to the Roles tab under Server Settings, then tap on Create Role. Now, name the role. Just enter a name like muted, then choose any color to distinguish it. Just tap Save after making the changes. In the Permissions tab, disable all messaging permissions like sending messages, speaking in voice channels, and making calls. Just make sure to turn off permissions such as send message, speak, connect, send voice messages, then tap Save Changes. Now go back to the Roles tab. Select the muted role, then tap on Add Members. Choose the user you want to mute, then tap Save. Finally, try to send a message or speak in voice channel with the muted user to ensure the role works as intended. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.